Wanted to come back and show you what I came up with. A lot of these aren't finished, but I'm kind of wanting to put Valentine's Day away. I showed you this one already. This one is finished. This one's finished, and it's a card. And next time, when I have more time, I'll show you exactly how I made it. This one I showed. I really like this one too. Now this Masterboard you didn't see me make on camera. This is a magazine, and then my scraps. Yeah, but this one you did see me make on camera. This one is from another one that I had made, and it's a bookmark. It's a shame. I just wanted to put Valentine's Day away, and this was before Valentine's, and this one is unfinished. But remember him, he's from the peanut box. And it said, let's celebrate love. So this is from the peanut box. This is a magazine. And this is scrap. But I'm still not finished with that one or this one. I liked how this one, but this one's really unfinished. I know you're like, oh. And this one. This one, this almost looks like a tissue box. This is from the peanut box. And then my scraps. So I like this one too. This one is finished. And it's a card. Well, and I didn't want to show you Valentine's. Valentine's is over, but I didn't have time. I didn't have time because, trying to now fit in my hobby, is challenging but doable. But I wanted to come on and show you the what I made from the Masterboard. I can't wait to get in there and make some more things. I will talk to you soon. If you made it to the end of my video, go ahead and do a wave emoji or a scissor emoji, just to let me know that you're there. If you don't have a comment. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.